Hi everyone, I just wanted to share a couple of tips that you can do for musicality purposes when trying to streamline or create workouts that go to music. Now let's be real, everybody can't count music, everybody's not a dancer, things like that. To be honest, I never was a dancer, but the way that I am able to find musicality and go to the rhythm and the beat while performing exercises is first and foremost, I find songs that I know. That's first and foremost. And then from there, I break it down from the bridge of the song to a chorus to maybe a verse, depending on what the song is. I'll give you an example. Can't Touch This by MC Hammer. Every time he may say, can't touch this, and I'm talking about for the chorus, doom, 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 can't touch this. Maybe you add in a move, can't touch this. Can't touch this, doom, 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 can't touch this. And as the song is going on, right, when he says can't touch this, maybe you add in a shoulder press. Can't touch this, doom, 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 doom. Can't touch this, doom, 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 doom. Can't touch this. And then when he's rapping or whatever, that's when maybe you could find a squat. And then you maybe do a heel raise. Heel raise. Keep the movements very simple and repeat them throughout the entire song. So I might pick like somewhere between 3 to 5 moves throughout the entire song that we do. And we do that multiple times. So if I'm doing a squat with a heel raise each time, I'm gonna do that every time I hear a verse. And then when I hear the chorus drop, that's when I'll add in the cross and the arm raise and the cross and the arm raise. So those are just some simple tips that you can use to help with your musicality for when you're planning your classes. You can do the same thing on the Reformer. Like I said, try to find a playlist that has songs that you are familiar with, and then you can kind of pick up the beat and tempo from there. Well, I hope this helps. Bye.